Alright guys, I'm trying my new video software this morning, but I had a question about a problem from section 4.2, and it was regarding um, a correlation coefficient of negative 0.1950. Now, if we go to the chart that determines if it's a good enough fit off of 10 randomly selected things, let's do that real quick. Um, so if I go to the book, let's remember this page, 201, I need to go back to it. But there should be a section, oh, I can't find it. Okay, here we go. Um, our tables, and I want to look at the critical values for correlation coefficient. So if I have 10 randomly picked data and I look at it and I see that for 10, I need the correlation coefficient to be better than, here we go, 0.632. So I had a 0.19. Mine is not better than 0.632. Therefore, I cannot say it has a linear relationship. If we go to the text again on this page 201, it says when there's no linear relationship, that when we're making a prediction, we should just use y bar. That's going to be our best guess. So that's why, and again, this is on page 201. So that's why when we're looking at this question, we can go on here and do all the statistics. You can do statistics on anything. I can find an R value, I can find a line of best fit, even though there is no line of best fit because it doesn't have a linear relationship. Let's look at the graph of this data. So let's just do a scatter plot. And we look at this. And look at this. There's not a good linear relationship here. I'm all over the place. It does give me a negative 0.19, but again, that's kind of horrible for the number of data points that we have. Again, if I wanted to do a simple linear, I could. And, I get an R value of this negative 0.19 like they said I would. Here's the equation of my line. I could plug in some compensation. I think the question says for 15 million, right? So I can plug in 15 here. But it's not going to give me the answer at once because I shouldn't be using a line to model this data. I should be using the mean of this data, of the y values. And so what would be, where they're getting the 17.2 from is just doing a mean of the percent return, 17.2. And I should use these for both my values, 15 million and 25 million, because there's not a linear relationship. So again, if you want to read that on page 201, that may help you. But if my R value is not good enough, I can't have a linear relationship, or I don't have a linear relationship. And again, it has to be greater than the 0.632. We had 0.19. Kind of forget about the signs when we're looking at this. But I hope this helps out. I hope y'all have a great Monday. I believe we have a midterm in a week. So let's get this test and everything knocked out and homework knocked out so we can study for the midterm. And I'll have some midterm reminders videos coming up soon. Have a great day.